Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A23. And to do this we'll need to open settings or any app that allows us to scroll down, and then simply go to the top of the page and make a screenshot by pressing volume down and the power key at the same time. Then right here you should see this icon with two arrows pointing down. Click on it and wait till the entire page scrolls down. Let's try that again, because I think I pressed the screen again. So click on this icon again until you're satisfied with the length of this screenshot. To save it, click on it and it should show in your gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.